Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you what you can uh, try if your ChatGPT chats seems to be missing or deleted. So let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Log into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account name. From the menu, select Settings, and this window will pop up. At Settings window, go to Data Controls. Here, make sure Chat History and Training training is turned on. Okay, so if you don't have this uh, chat history in training is turned on, that means that it's up to date everything. So this step now is important. Now we cannot recover permanently deleted ChatGPT chats as OpenAI doesn't offer an undeleted feature for privacy anymore. What we can do is export our data. So we can do this to download your chat history as a backup. So we just click here, confirm export. When you deleting your prompts, don't delete them, but put them in archive function instead of permanently deleting it. Just because you want to clear your sidebar. So when you want again these prompts, you can go here, data controls and archived chats, manage, and you will see under here some of the archived chats. Now I don't know why this thing doesn't want to open. Okay, so it will open up like something like that. I have okay, so if I do that, and now like I showed you, if you click here manage, okay, so I basically need to go back, data, manage, and now you can see that we have archived chats right here. So this is one way how you can recover your chats if you put them in archive, or you can export data and there will be some possible thing to do. So don't delete chats because you never know when you will looking for it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.